In today's video, I will show you the new KSign iOS update and how to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad. You don't need a computer for this method, and you don't need jailbreak. In this guide, I'll show you how to install KSign, how to import a certificate, how to sign an IPA file, and how to install it on your iPhone or iPad. Now let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Now go to my website. You can check the link in the description. Once Apple JR is loaded, go to the KSign tab. Now, before installing KSign, we need to install the Apple JR DNS first. Simply tap Install Apple JR DNS to get it. A pop-up will appear saying the profile has been downloaded. Now open Settings. At the top, tap Profile Downloaded, then tap Install. After the Apple JR DNS profile is installed, go back to Safari. Now go to the KSign tab on Apple JR. Simply hit KSign Install button with the green status. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install the app. Tap Install. After that, go back to your home screen and wait until KSign finishes installing. If KSign does not open and shows an untrusted developer message, don't worry, this is normal. Open Settings, go to General, then open VPN and Device Management. Find the developer profile connected to KSign. Tap Trust and restart. Once restarted, you can now open KSign like normal app. Now KSign is ready to use. Now you are ready to install.
Also,
Make sure you download IPA such as official top right files app, then tap Import Files. Now choose the IPA files you want to import. In my case, I will import Lara Jailbreak and Zen Emulator as an example. Select the files, then tap Open. Once the files are imported, tap on one of the IPA files, then select Import to Library. You can do the same step for each IPA file you want to install. After importing the apps to the library, go to the Library tab. Here, you will see all the apps that are ready to be signed. Now tap the app icon, then select Sign and Install. Wait until the process is complete. After that, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to install the app. Tap Install. Now repeat the same steps for the other apps in your library. Then tap Install when the pop-up appears. Once the installation is finished, go back to your home screen and wait until the apps appear. Now your IPA files have been signed and installed successfully using KSign. And that's it. That's how to use the new KSign iOS update to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad. No computer is needed and no jailbreak is required. Don't forget to check the link on description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.